uRanzo wavela kahle ekhuluma umntwana okuhlakaniphe kakhulu ekhuluma right.
Yeah.
And wayesekwazi nokuthi aziye le toilet.
Yeah.
So ngabona lapho ukuthi sekaqala manje sekazimosha. Sorry. Sekazimoshela and asukeleke manje ngasakhulumi makakwatila zishaye nje ikhanda noma zinqubuze ebundeni. Kulapho ngaqala ngabona khona ukuthi qala ngangimshaya ngithi mhlawumbe wenza ngamabomu ngithi nyamkhuza.
Yeah.
Number 2 ngisamclean enye into engibone ukuthi kahle njoba ngihamba ngifuna ikolo bese bamrejecta ngenxa ka number 2 ngoba ngisamclean.
So kusenzeka ukuthi ufica ukuthi wakakwazi ukucontrol situation yakhe ke toilet.
Mara into engijabulisile ukuthi la emalangeni ngithole ephaketheni ngoba ngimbekele iphakethe ekamereni la ukuthi afunde nakusebusuku angeke aphumele ngaphandle. Ngathola ukuthi wenzile khona ephaketheni lokho kwangithokozisa noma wayengazisulanga.
Sanibonani bakuthi makhaya igama lami ke mina ngokwazi ngowansele ngiphaphasi lekadla mahlatha mnyama sinibingelela silapha ku Nep podcast. Lapho khona sixoxa nje ngezinto eziningi ebhekene nabantu bakithi okuyizinkinga ke sibhekene nazo on our daily basis. Namhlanje ke futhi kodwa sekalunga angingakapholi ngekudala ngizobe ngibuyile ngihleli phambi kwenu. Kodwa sekalunga sengiyaphola nami futhi ngiyazizwa ukuthi hayi nephimbo seliphuma kahle sekushoda nje kancane sokulowa masikazi mhlawumbe nginethemba ukuthi ngiyaphuma ngibuyela phambi kwenu awube sekuphelile yonke into. Namhlanje ke angihambi ngedwa ngihamba nomfana omncane lapho Ranzo kanye noma wakhe abaqhamuke ngodaba oluhlukile kakhulu then indaba esuke sixoxa ngazo kodwa ngimbizile because I felt ukuthi pheko izinto zonke engihlezi ngifunda ngazo i-situation esizokhuluma ngayo is one of the situations engicabanga ukuthi I always had that interest but mhlawumbe ngolunye usuku ngixoxela ukuthi kungana had this interest about this situation esizokhuluma ngayo namhlanje but uMakaranzo will explain from A up to Z but ukuqala ngizothanda ukuthi abingelele ababukeli emakhaya nibingelele azichaza ukuthi ubani ungakabani enuze ngani sawubona ngabingelela ababukeli ekhaya.
Nginibingelela ababukeli emakhaya igama lami uNompumelelo wakwaNtuzulwana umama kaRanzo ngihamba noRanzo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Njengoba uhamba noRanzo kwenze njani? Ufuna ukususa ilokho la?
Ngibona ukuthi uzoyisa class.
Okay, isusa emngoni. Okay, uhamba noRanzo i-situation ekwenza ukuthi uhambe noRanzo yini lesibeke namhlanje kanye yini osibhalelile?
Hey. Inzima i-situation engihlangabezana nayo.
Yeah.
Kunzima ukuhlala nomntwana o-autism.
Yeah.
uRanzo wavela kahle ekhuluma umntwana okuhlakaniphe kakhulu ekhuluma right.
Yeah.
And wayesekwazi nokuthi aziye le toilet.
Yeah.
So ngabona lapho ukuthi sekaqala manje sekazimosha. Sorry. Sekazimoshela and asukeleke manje ngasakhulumi makakwatila zishaye nje ikhanda noma zinqubuze ebundeni. Kulapho ngaqala ngabona khona ukuthi qala ngangimshaya ngithi mhlawumbe wenza ngamabomu ngithi nyamkhuza.
Yeah.
So kodwa kuhamba ngesikhathi ngaya ngabona ukuthi lento le inzima ngase ngimise e-clinic bangibhalela incwadi. Ngaya Steve Biko bayomcheck. Ngoba ngendlela ngafika ngachaza ngayo babona ukuthi kusho ukuthi bona bese banolwazi ukuthi kungabe kuyini kodwa bathi ngcono bacale ba-prove ukuthi wafika ke Steve Biko bamfaka emshinini bamscan ama results aphuma athi autism.
Okay, shuthi uphila
autistic. And then nabasho bathi imbangela ayikulapheki because into abathi isisusa sento ukuthi imbangela yini kulaba khona ukuthi bakhona ukuthi babona ukuthi ingasizwa yini. Manje le bathi bayifunda out ngayo 1986 ayaziwa ukuthi iyini ibuya kuphi kanjani. Yebo umntana nje vele nje a break it down avele athule. So ngathi mangibuya ke ngaloko ngimhambisa ama speech therapy futhi goya kwangathi ubangcono uyazama ukukhuluma kwaphinda futhi kwathula ke manje vele uhleli nje ethulile ukhuluma only nje one word
kusebenza njani mekhuluma
ezikhulumela nje i1 mhlawumbe uyabiza igama lomuntu noma nje asho nje into nje ngoba nasemalangeni njengoba kunala ngimgeza khona alokathi geza uyayibona uyakusho ukuthi uyezwa ukuthi abantu bathini bese ukhuluma lokho kodwa khona kunzima kakhulu ngoba kangangokuthi ngaze ngalahlekelwa nomsebenzi ngokuthi ufuna ukuthi sihlala sibathathu nobaba wakhe so baba wakhe umuntu odraw amaplan wezindlu unokubizwa kwesinye isikhathi sokuthi siphila ngaloko ukuthi makathole icustomer ngaleso sikhathi ukuthi mhlawumbe limbiza manje yena fanele abuye esikolweni angikho mina ngisemsebenzini usale ma next door and manje next door kusenginenja yabona ngisabela nempilo yakhe so kwathi ngo2012 ngathola umsebenzi ngamthatha ngamisa ekhaya kepha nje ngoba ulomntana uye bekabahluphe ekhaya njalo bemthola emgaqweni ngathi ufuna ukubuyela kubo uyabona so kwaba ukuthi manje sekuba into eyinkinga ukuthi uzogcinela hleka kwaya kwangiphoqa ukuthi ngize ngibhekane naye angikhona ngemsebenzini ngoba fanele ngihlale ngigadile and akangeke azakhuluma ukuthi ubani ukulahleka kwakhe nje kuzoba inkinga ngoba akakwazi ukukhuluma ngifisele nenkinga and enye into number 2 ngisamclean enye into engibone ukuthi kahle njoba ngihamba ngifuna ikolo bese bamrejecta ngenxa ka number 2 ngoba ngisamclean
so kusenzeka ukuthi ufica ukuthi wakakwazi ukucontrol situation yakhe ke toilet
mara into engijabulisile ukuthi la emalangeni ngithole ephaketeni ngoba ngimbekele iphakete ekamereni la ukuthi afunde nakusebusuku angeke aphumele ngaphandle ngathola ukuthi wenzile khona ephaketeni lokho kwangithokozisa noma wayengazisulanga ngasenyamgeza so nginokusho ukuthi mhlambe isteps ukuqala so mhlambe uzoya ayashintsha nethemba kuNkulunkulu ukuthi uzoshintsha so ufunda economy uRamzo njoba afunde economy isikolo sabantwana abadisability kepha baqhashile bona government ubathathe wababekela indawo yabo abahlanganiswa nalaba because ngikhumbula ngomunye unyaka esaqala ukuba nalenkingi ngamambiza kwenye crash bathi hawakhethi mabe babahlanganisa endaweni eyi1 bona ngiyaphithema mhlambe banganalo ulwazi mabe kazobuya seka actor njengalabo bantwana uyayibona enze ama action walabo bantwana so lapha nabathi ngathi mangithola isikolo ngoba ngalinda for 6 years ukuze athola isikolo from 2011 until 2016 wakhana athola isikolo nakhona ngenxa yokuthi ngagcina sengiya kuma social worker ukuthi ngiyo complain ukuthi ayiphela naku abafuna ukumthatha so lesikolweni nekudala ngambhalisa social worker athi malifona ke kwakhane bamthatha wafunda ke from 2006 until manje
from 2006 or
2016 until manje economy so economy last year bekumele baphumile babe basebayebenzele vele ukuthi bayaphuma kodwa uprincipal athi bahlala phansi ne-board basese bayakhulumisana ukuthi no ngoba le ikolo lezi uyalinda kakhulu mabalonto mababuye bangahlali abafuni bahlale ekhaya ngoba umsebenzi wabo esikoleni basebenza ngezandla isikolo sabo sina ma standards ukuthi maybe ama grade abo A1 A2 A3 kanjalo basebenza ngezandla ke so kwaba ukuthi ke from last year lo ngifuna isikolo ngiyazamba ikolo ngifuna isikolo ngikona siyenge ngayasukuso angisazi ukuphi kwenye indawo sasithathwe utishara wesikolo isikolo sona lesabo bakhipha iquantum ukuthi siyobona leyo ndawo leyo so sathi masifika sathu ukuthi indawo eright i-boarding school yahlalwa khona lapho umlanda kayi1 mhlambe ngoJune or ngoDecember bahlala lapho ba strict nje mara bese sa develop isikolo sakhona mama khona nayo nomntana autism so kwaba ukuthi masifika lapho wasichazela yonke into bazohlala lana bazophila ngezinkukhu zikhona bazoyenza nje imisebenzi yezandla namagarden manje kwaba ukuthi ngishaywa indaba ngisebenzi ngishaywa indaba yemali nobaba akasebenzi siphila ngalo kuphanda kwakhe uma alitholile icustomer elifuna iplan ngoba isikhathi esiningi abantu sebazakhela nje ngaphandle kwamaplan
yes
siphile situation enzima kakhulu
So kuleso sikole leso nafika navinjwa yini imali
ngoba bathi bafuna siqala ku 8,000 yebo ngenyanga so ngafonela nezinye ikolo khona sinye bathi sisemi Trentori kukuphi angazi Crescent School Orient sona sangitshela nge10,000 ngenyanga ngazama nesinye ngoba basinikile ama list wekolo nazama nesinye sangiletshela nge12,000 ngenyanga
yes
ngenyanga is 12,000 cheap uye lo 8,000 nayo lo 8,000 inkinga ngizoyithatha
iningi lo mali okay mhlambe omunye umuntu ongafundisekile ngeautism right and onganalwazi ukuthi masikhuluma ngomntwana autistic sikhuluma ngomntwana onjani yes uchazile khona kuqaleni and udaba lethu olukhulu lisihlanganisa namhlanje ukuthi you need isikole for Ranzo udinga ukuthi akwazi ukuhamba esikoleni so that ezokwazi ukuthi afunde njengezinye ingane afunction njengezinye ingane enze njengezinye ingane and ukuhamba kwakhe esikoleni noma ukufunda kwakhe mhlambe nawo ngakukhulula ekutheni ubheka abantu okwazi ukulekelelana nobaba wakhe endlini all those things yabo so since nobabili ningasebenzi nobaba kaRanzo umhlele endlini having this child autistic mayilokho ekhula nama habits ungafundi noma ekhula nama habits ungafundiseka about icondition yakhe kuzolokhu kuba worse right so now let's go back and explain because this is a disability so let's explain this disability ngokungafani namanye ama disability because omunye umzali uzothi no why ungathathi lengane lena uyihambisa esikoleni esithile sengane ekhubazekile what's the difference about this disability
autism ihluke kakhulu ngoba akusumuntu oqhwalile akaqhwalanga uyazambela uyazidlela uyakwazi ukuzenzela ukulontuza ukudla nabantwana bakhona bahlakaniphile
yes
nethi inkinga yile speech nalokunga khona ukuthi azise toilet kodwa yena ngiyamtrain nasesikoleni bayamtrain autism yakhe yaqala ana 2 years kwaba ukuthi manje akasakhona ukukhuluma aka umuntu ongafuna umsindo akafuna ukuraselwa mangizwa bathi bazwa 9 times ukudlula thina kusho ukuthi nakaye mall wena lo msindo uzwa yena uzwa 9 times bona so umuntu onolaka makakwa yena ukukhama maruya kwata umuntu ofuna ukuhlala agadiwe ngoba naseka kwatile ngani nje uyayithatha azishaye ngayo
bona so ngiyengizwa ukuthi one of the things baba nesiphiwo esithile specific ngabe senikwazile ukuthola ukuthi yini uRanzo akakwazi ukuyenza nathanda ukuyenza
kwamanje bengakatholi kahle ngayo ngoba ulazy thi ngiyibeke nje straight umuntu ovilaphayo kufanele umphushe entweni kufana noma ceda ukudla mamtshela ukuthi ambeke isitsha sakho kufanele umlandele lapho ukuthi iyenza so yebo and anjalo nje akafuni ukudlala nabanye abantwana angaze esikoleni wenza kanjani ngiyamkhipha ngimise from dala bengimisa ukuthi ajwayele abanye abantwana afika azimele nje kaso uthola ukuthi manje ebantwaneni abafani kunabanye abantwana bazomhleka abanye bafike badlale ngaye ngigcina sengibona ukuthi akusizi abanye bammangalela abanye bambize wozodlala nje angafuni uyayibona mangigcina sengize sengimfake ejaridini ngithi bazozambela abantwana uzoloku emile la ngizangithini ngcono vele angene ejaridini
so basically uphila in a situation uhleze esekhaya
uhleze esekhaya akafuni noma ngiphuma naye mhlambe ngiyesiphaza ngithi maybe uzosala dlale nabanye abantwana khulumisana akafuni yangilandela and ujwayele mina kakhulu uvela ngilandela angafuni ngithi dlala nabanye abantwana angafuni abaleke abayaye ejaridini
yes so mayisendlini wenzani
mayisendlini uyazihlalela nje or ukuthola ukuthi mhlambe ngimnika ibhola ukuthi masenze ibhola uthanda kakhulu uthanda ama puzzles uthanda ukusebenza nje ngezandla nokukhalarisha izinto vele ngoba ngiyamnika lento zakhe zasesikoleni ukuthi makazenze ngichache pha ipuzzle and before ayenza kunenye yale stage lesiyabona lesalomuntu
yes
before ayenza uqala phakamisa isandla ke bese sekayenza umjabulisa ngalokho ukuthi mama uthi makenza into uyayenza.
Okay, so uthanda ama puzzles.
Uthanda ama puzzles kakhulu.
That's the talent ikade ngikhuluma ngayo. Yeah, so basically izinto lezo asithanda. So basically akayini umuntu ama gadgets. Ama gadgets, ama phone, TV.
Uthanda iphone. ifoni uthanda kakhulu ukudlula iTV ngokuthi ufuna ukudlala like ama game.
Okay.
Yeah, ufuna ukusidlalela nje ama game. Kodwa yena akayazi ifoni. Umfowabo omunye wamnikeza ifoni. Uziyela nje straight ngokule game ayaziyo. Mhlawumbe ukuthi uzongena ku WhatsApp ayenzeni cha vele naleyo phone yakho vele ayina WhatsApp ngoba vele umntwana asifuni ukuthi angene kakhulu into sama social media thola ukuthi manje uba ngoba zivamisile ukuthi sidonselana amanzi ngomsele so kwaba ukuthi ke uyamenzela umfakela igame ukuthi nje at least akwazi ukuthi akhiphe isithukuthezi angahlali nje
so efonini uyakwazi ukuyichofa ngithi phone
yebo
mayise fonini he only goes to I game le yakayifuna
yebo ngoba ifoni yakhe inaleyo game vele uyakuyo
una iPhone
unayo unikezwe umfowabo
okay
kodwa kusho ukuthi makasho bengasasebenzi kahle ukuze amnikeze so wamdownloadela le game ngoba mbona ukuthi uyayithanda
okay mhlambe othi ngiyilule ngichazela futhi umbukelo wasekhaya so that azoba clear
yeah
with ulwazi lwami oluncane olungaphelele mhlambe futhi ne-research engiyenzile kancane with abantwana abane autism right it's a rare condition akuyona condition enkulu hence eSouth Africa singanazi izikole eziningi for abantwana abane autism
yeah
so most abantu abavula izikole zabantu abane autism here in South Africa abantu ababe nezingane as autistic because umzali ube nenkinga ukuthi ingane akakwazi ukuthi uzohambisa kuphi usafare kakhulu ungathatha ilokhuzana lapho
yebo
yes because ufica ukuthi nayo usafari lesikhathi eside ezama ukuthola isikole embuku uzofuna ukuyifaka ephaketheni ranzo sulubu kodwa nje akajulile mbothi usula nje ubona abantu uyasula so abazali abaningi ngenxa zokuthi uthwale kanzima ukuthi athole ingane yakhe isikole I'm talking about South Africa then masevula isikole seyingane ezina autism
yeah
into okumele uyibheke it's a special talent especially enganeni ene autism
yeah
it's a special talent yini akathanda ukuyenza this is just a minor thing mhlambe singathiwa nje wasixoxa ngayo sodlula kuyona before sifike osizweni esilidingayo we'll also go deep osizweni esilidingayo but for now it's also a chance ukufundisa umuntu osekhaya and also maybe nawo okunye kwakho mhlambe ukubheka ukuthi okay I must look into 18 while I'm still waiting for isikole I don't want you to sit and wait and also ngifuna ukuvulela usizo lobulikhulu because I also believe ukuthi 8,000 imali eningi but at the same time umzali ekhaya nomuntu obukela ekhaya siyafisa ukuthi ebe nayo indlela ukuthi abone ukuthi angacontribute kuphi from le nkulumo engizoyikhuluma abantwana aba-autistic they have a special talent that special talent bazophinde besi-advise besitshela abanye babo ukuthi uyithola kanjani special kanjani yabo ufica ukuthi is good kwi-maths yakwazi ukubala right ufica ukuthi is good in words even though engakhulumi but once waqala ukhuluma amagama amakhulu so that's why ngikwenzela isibonelo ukuthi kunomunye umntwana engimaziyo owathi meqala ukukhuluma isishine because ama games wakhe egcwele izinto ezibuka ku YouTube oyibuka izinto zamashayini right so njengomzali ke wena and I also understand ukuthi ukuthola umntwana autistic elokushini isimo somnotho asivumi zonke lezi zinto leso nawe zikulimitile kakhulu to know more about the condition and also to help where you can umntwana wakho with this condition bayithanda but now into efika ibe inkinga kuRanzo ukuthi unumber 2 akakwazi ukumcontrola noma akakwazi ukulungisa leyo situation which is so ikhuluma sibheka ukuthi iziphi indlela singenza ngazo for you ukuthi usizakale also nabantu besi-advise ukuthi what can you do to help him to deal with number 2 basithanda abantwana aba-autistic yeah right so abazwani nento engaqondile so mfica ukuthi ilungisa ngisho nezinto ezincane
iqiniso lelo ngoba naye lo nama ngathola ifridge ivuleke kancane uzoyivala
exactly yes
athola chitheka amanzi uyasula uyayibona
yes yabo so baba abantwana banjalo they have bane speciality ejulile so kwabantwana ababezalwe nokuhlakanipha kwaze kweqwa right not ukuthi njengoba ispeech singekho asikho ngempela ispeech sikhona ispeech akathanda ukukhuluma for his own reasons uyaxoxa yedwa phakathi uneindaba njengoba sikhuluma nje ngafika ukuthi nawe uneindaba zakhe akayixoxayo he knows ilanguage ekhulunywa endlini if endlini nikhuluma isitsonga he knows isitsonga if endlini nikhuluma izulu he knows izulu ngoba uyezwa futhi njengoba ezwa kuprocessa kahle yonke into ekhaya so whatever umfundisa yona uyayifunda the only thing ukuthi akanayo communication yokutshela ukuthi ngabe lento ngiyifundile or sengiyifunde ngafika kuphi so when as a parent you need to know ukuthi ekumfundiseni kwakho ubona kanjani ukuthi mayisefundile ikuphi la kumele khona uqinise isandla ikuphi la kumele uthambise khona so uqinisa isandla akosiqinisi njengeingane zonke ezinormally and izinto ozenzayo awuzenzi ngendlela ongathiwa wenza kwingane eyisiqhwayo right so lokhu sixoxa nje siba deep kuyona so that umbukele ekhaya azocekisela ukuthi what we dealing with and the situation esibhekene nayo situation enjalo so now let's go straight to say njengamanje neminyaka emingaki and leminyaka yakhe akumele ngabe sesiqedile isikole and kufanele naqhubeka afunde uqaleni nesikoleni so that umuntu ezoba ne clear picture ungixoxelile behind the scenes awuphinde futhi uxoxele umbukele
uqale isikolo waqala wahamba ama crash ahlukahlukene
yes
so kulavele kwaqala kwabonakala khona ukuthi no man sorry nabo laba bamfundisayo bambona lapho ukuthi no akasumntwana ofana nabanye abantwana bangitshela ke nami kunguthi sengiyabona ukuthi hayi man sekabuyele emuva sekayenza number 2 ngishaye ke ngithi ngiyatrainer but kuyena uyangabona ukuthi no ethi lento ngisukumele ngeclinic so isikolo wasithola sekasithola 2016
eseneminyaka bungaki
yo ngabekana bo 11 years ngwamanje una 19
so meyiqale ngene isikole ufunda ukuthi esikoleni uqale already na 11
ngoba ngaqala abakana 9 ngoba wangu 2006
okay
wala ko 10 ungene esikoleni sekulate ngenxa yokuthi ngabhalisa 2011 kwaba ukuthi ngiyalinda isikhathi eside 6 years 5 years ngaze ngasizakala sorry ngendaba yokuthi sengingenelela i-social worker ukuthi nje babengamfuni kumthatha bengithumela kulezi ibothemkosi manje lethemkosi laba disability i-autism ayikho nanoma ikhona kwakunzima ngaleso sikhathi leso ngoba lapha ngangazi ukuthi isikolo vele sabo sikhona so ngathi baba nalento ukuthi makafundele ukushini ngoba uhlale lokushini so kodwa social worker langenelela labatshela ukuthi umntwana unelungelo lokufunda noma kuphi as long as isikolo sakhe sitholakala waqala ke uvele bathi makabafonela manje ngathi ngiphuma ngegate babe bengifonela bathi ngimlethe for i-assessment assess indlebe amehlo in and then ngiyaba ukena kwakhe esikolweni kanjalo
so wafunda from 2016 till this year
yebo ngoba last year kumele baphumile kwaba ukuthi bayabazwela bathi ngcono baphine ukuthi bahlala abafundi bahlale vele nama ngithanda umntana uzohlala nje angenzi lutho so basesebabuyisela kodwa namhlanje this year it's final but bayaphuma vele
usesekhona even namanje esikoleni
usesekhona
it's just that usekwi final year njoba ena 19 ukufunda kwakhe kumele afunde kuze kube yini
njengoba ana 19 uzofunda aza kusho ukuthi esikoleni bayahluka labantwana bakhona abakhona ukuthi babambe izinto fast bakhona abathi mababafundisa mabaphuma ngathi abanye babo sorry ngiyaxolisa
no problem
abanye babo abafunda naye abaphumayo manje bayothola i-learnership or like ikolo lapho abanye bayothola imisebenzi vele
okay
ngoba bayakhona ukuthi benze mhlawumbe lese carpentry or wathini njengalezo kufaka ama tiles uyayibona so abanye bayaphuma bayothola imisebenzi ngento abakwazi kuyenza abanye ke kube ukuthi babakhiphela ukuthi at least noma ngahlale home so that abe nabanye abantwana abona akwazi ukufunda into eningi okunike abantwana anabo so kulama home kuba esikhathini esiningi ngithole ukuthi ama home anabo until nabantu abadala bakhona lapho.
Okay.
So kusho ukuthi uzofunda until azabe perfect kwaziwe ukuthi uright entweni entweni ini akwazi ukuthi atholele umsebenzi ke.
So possibility angafunda azobe na 40.
Kusuka ngobuslow bomuntu bakhe.
Ngibuza lembuzo because omunye umuntu ekha naye uzoba nambuzo ukuthi he's already 19 and since engekho ama grade if be umntwana onormally kumele ngabe mhlawumbe ka grade 12 or kumele ngabe uqedile isikole ngabe uqede na 2 years
ngabe uqede last year
ku grade 12. So manje mayiphelele isikhathi lesikole ebefunda kusona simphelela ngayiphi criteria yipi criteria manje kumele sisebenzise ukuthola esinye isikole esihlukile kunalesi ngabe lesi sifana nokuthi bese primary usedinga high school or lesi bekuyi high school usedinga tertiary isikole sisifunayo compared to lesi ade kusona kuhluke ngani?
Isikole engisifunayo isikolo esinabantwana aba autism and esizomfundisa esizoqhubeka simfundise kusho ukuthi sizothatha la bagcine khona laba bemfundisa.
No, my question ukuthi ubefunda la kade khona, right?
Yeah.
But isikhathi sakhe sesiphelile. From what I heard ngasesayidini lakho you said kumele abantwana befunda until we feel like it's good ukuthi sebengaphuma. So that's why ngize ngenza sibonela ukuthi engaze fike na ku 14 efunda. Wathi wena as long dependa ngobuslowly bakhe.
Yeah.
So manje kulesikole ade kusona bathi uphelelwe isikhathi. Right? So sengiyabheka ukuthi ukuphela kwesikhathi kusho ukuthini kubona. Kuphela isikhathi because they feel like umntwana use right or ba feel ukuthi umntwana cha akabi right akadedela abanye abantwana.
Yebo, basitshele kanjalo.
Bathini? Okay, nanso into ade ngiyifuna.
Bathi sekufanele ukuthi ngisho ukuthi makuloko okukhulu ngithi kunabantwana abangenayo abancane. Bakhulela khona lapha esikoleni. Manje bathi sebabalekela ukuthi eclassini labo abavamisanga ubabani. Baba maybe mabathi baningi bayi 7.
Okay.
Baba yi 5, 4. Yabona. So bathi laba basakhula ispace seka-shiftela abanye ispace ukuthi bathole ispace ngoba ngamaklasi baloko bayakhuphuka A1 A2 njalo njalo. So naye bashilo batha ispace sakhe sisekho laphayana sekamdala and then kufana nasesikolweni vele njengoba ufunda grade R grade banibani babathitha kanjalo ukuthi manje sekane angithi manje makathi 18 ngabe beka right ngabe uya ku high school kudo tertiary. So nabo kanjalo ke bathi sekufanele ukuthi baphume ngoba sebabadala badedela laba abancane.
So basically ukuphuma kwabo bebethi sekhulile mhlawumbe ku contract angakayifundi akahambe yohlala ekhaya or bebethola nesinye isikole.
Bathi sithole esinye isikole ingakho baye basinikeza nama list
ezinye
ikolo and then ikolo zakho kakhulu ama sort of boarding.
Okay.
Bahlala lapho but ba prefer kakhulu ukuthi bahlale nabo bakwazi ukuthi baba maintain kahle.
So lezi ikole lezi it's more like age group yakhe.
Noma
kumixile nabancane cha
age group basho bayabhala ukuthi thatha abantwana aba 18 to old age. Bayachaza ukuthi
so basically if lesikole setholakala ngibe na 18 engaze efike na ku 50 eklesikole kudependa ngakoma project na kwama duties ukuthi usenzani lesikole.
Yebo ngoba abaningi abasebakhulile lapha yana bebaloko bekhulela lapho kuleso sikolo. Yebo. So kodwa abanye ke ngoba khambe uNkulunkulu uyamazi uNkulunkulu uneimanga. Kenzeka umntana nje basikhala sisi2 so maybe after 2 years ashinja be right uyaphuma ke kuleso sikolo.
Yes.
Yebo.
Enye into futhi mhlawumbe ngolesi iveze kumbukeli. We have doctors that are autistic.
Yeah.
We have amakhapitra we have ukuhlukana kwengane eziningi ezingabasebenzi that works in public space.
Kakhulu.
Right? So into engikhala ngayo namanje ngisayisho ilokishi ni umntwana uzalele endaweni where kuyashoda ukusizakala kwakhe.
Kakhulu.
Ephinde futhi azalwe abazali akade benganalwazi about the autism.
Yeah, kakhulu.
Right? So and this situation engabhekana nomuphi umzali especially if umzali ongafundisekile ngeinto eziningi ezikhona ezenzakalayo and the conditions angabhekana nomntwana wakho. And it's because obviously South Africa have a very low number of abantwana with autism, and asikakazi ukuthi lapheka kanjani nokuthi umntwana wakho usizakala kanjani. And some of the behaviors abantwana abane autism asikakazi ukuthi how do we deal with certain behaviors, maybe ngumsindo senjani yonke lento lesidila kanjani nalo situation there. Now the emphasis enza ukuthi ngikhulumele inkulumo, it's because uRanzo kufanele engabe already simbonile ukuthi ubhekephi, and ngamboni ukuthi ubhekephi. I feel like also even esikole lesisuka kusona sinakho lokho ukuthi mhlambe they failing in a way yokuthi bebe progressive or afike la kumele ngabe ufika khona. I also feel like there's too much delay, and we're not saying there's too much delay because it's up to him. It's not up to him. It's up to uthando lwakho. I also feel like umthanda kakhulu and uyamprotect kakhulu. Angikaze ngibone endlini, angikaze ngibone unaye, and which is a beautiful thing. Uclean, ugezile lo mntwana, ugundile futhi, yabo. So that's basically coming from uthando.
Yabo.
So sometimes uthando lomzali, even if unormal, uthando lomzali can destroy umntwana normal.
Yeah.
Right?
Goodness.
So uthando lomzali nalo luyi drug somehow emntwaneni, nongabe a normal kid or a disabled kid, uthando lomzali lunesandla ekukhuleni kwengane. So lufanele lube isikali ukuthi nalo ulifake uthi angisamlimazi, but lube khona because uyalidinga uthando, because nalo mase lingasekho nakho lokho kuyamlimaza.
Yeah,
right?
Goodness.
So now abazali abaningi when they have a disabled child, ufika ukuthi uthando oluningi balifaka kakhulu kulomntwana to a point ukuthi make khona umntwana normal, lo mntwana normal angaze complain ethi nanithanda kakhulu sibanibani kunawe, because you paying too much attention to kulomntwana. Yabo, you feel ukuthi lo mntwana udinga ukunakekela special attention. So sometimes I don't know if sekulate noma kusese early, but ngoba siyaxoxa nawe will see ukuthi early noma kusekulate, right? Or sometimes kunezinto kumele abantwana normal or not normal sibayekelele bezenza abe uye, right? So umyekelela umupha ithuba lokufunda. Ziningi izinto that I also feel like because of uthando lwakho uRanzo ulekhile ukuthi asifunde, because you had fear ukuthi angalimali, you had fear ukuthi kungamoshakali kungabi worse than the situation akakuyona right now, right? And lokho ke kumenza ukuthi nawe uyeke zonke izinto and pay attention to him. So that's why udondolo lakhe. So ukumuva kwakhe, so mawuhamba ulandela wena, because indlela umfundise ngayo ukuthi the only thing akumele ibheke uwe. So let's say in a situation or in a condition where you leave this world, which means ukufa kwakhe, impilo yakhe uyithathe kakhulu ayincikisa kuwena. Not that I'm being insensitive, but it's a reality yokuthi it's more like we spotlight sakhe ulandela la khona wena. Yabo. So that's basically coming from uthando lomzali. It's said makaza Ranzo ufika omunye umzali ingane because disable iyekelele uhlule kuyithanda, ufika ingane ingcolile, ufika ingane ayidlile, ufika ingane ihleli namakaka, uyayithethisa zisule, but when it's different, you gave something that was beautiful, and that something beautiful even nokuthi imenza yena lekhe kwezinye izinto, which is abazali abaningi siyakuncoma lokho ukuthi do it, but no, it's easy to say
kumele ngibe
ne-limit. Yes, it's easy to say hey umthanda kakhulu nciphisa than to say lengane uyithande. Ufika ukuthi omunye umzali ubhekela ingane esikole because ufuna ukuyisusa phambi kwamehlakhe, ufuna nje ukuyilahla idile nothisha ukube othisha abadila naye. But with uRanzo it's different because umthanda kakhulu, ufuna ukuthi umbone naye a progressive empilweni, ufuna ukumbona iphumelele njengabanye abantwana. So now I'm giving you the reality enzakalile esikoleni ade suka kusona. Esikoleni they also feel like emzamweni abayenzayo alukho ushintsho lwenzakalayo, maybe because nawe kukhona ukuthi awufundisi kuze kufike lapha. If you have taken a decision makaRanzo ukuthi usuhleli naye ekhaya, the decision wayithatha kudala ukuya kumsebenzi because you wanted to look after him, kufanele ke manje nawe ube isikole kuyena. Into esidinga kakhulu kubabukeli ukuthi benze impilo yakho ibe lula while you looking after him. Right? Kumele benze impilo yakho ibe lula. They need to make sure that you get a tablet. You need to get a big tablet, right? and get all the toys. It's just that angwazi ama toys akhona ngamagama, but there are specific toys adlala abantwana aba autistic, right?
Yebo bengihlala ngiyangiwalanda Twin library yakhona.
Yes. You need to get those toys. And the unfortunate part abazali bethu abafundile, and now omunye abazali bethu abangafundile, not saying ukuthi awufundile uyanga esikoleni, but abazali bethu nje nami ngizala umzali ongafundile wafunda umawa esikoleni but iqinisa ukuthi naye akafundile. Abantu abafundile ngathi mina abantu abamhlophe noma abantu abafunda kuma material abakwazi ukuba expose kuzona zonke izimo zempilo ezenzakalayo. So mangithi awufundile because kuzoba nzima nawe ukumfundisa okunye kwezinto, but you need also to teach yourself ukuthi iziphi izinto ongumfundisa zona as umntwana autistic. Since njengoba ngisho ukuthi since izikole eziningi zabantwana abane autism zaqala abantu ababenengane autistic, wafundisa ingane yakhe umuntu wazwafola in love ekutheni adile nezingane ne-autism, wasevula isikole ukusiza abanye abantu abanengane ne-autism because I fell in love in teaching umntwana ne-autism, and mangifela in love I see the progression through umntanami. So the only thing elekhayo ukuthi ukuthanda bele ukhona but kulekhe imfundiso through umntwana. So now you go back. That's why ngithi I'm not sure ukuthi sengile or ngi-8. You need to go back and relive this life again. While because the 8,000 is very imali enkulu mawakhe.
Ningi baba.
Yabo?
Ningi kakhulu. Ngisho noma usebenza nje uzohola malini?
Uzohola malini ukuthi 8,000 a month?
Mina bengisho mhlamba uzothi 8,000
a year.
Manje bangitshela ukuthi a month.
So lento ikubuyisela ukuthi wena ke manje umzali go back. Uyosifundisa wena, usifundisela ukuthi ubheke ezinye izingane eziphambili kunaye or ubheke izingane ezama condition afanayo ukuthi iningi lazo ziphelela kuphi. Mina I give you that. Ngiyabazi baningi ngendlela esimanga abantwana ade bene autism okanye ade be autistic. Aba kuthi nje makuse kuseni seshintshile awazi ukuthi kushintshe most yabo baphuza ukukhuluma. Abanye bakhuluma no11 years, abanye bakhuluma no12 years, abanye bakhuluma no15 years, abanye bakhuluma no17 years, abanye baqala beno19, which is 9 njobe ngakhulumi njengoba ngishilo Master Podcast ukuthi it's not ukuthi akakhulumi because akhona amagama, he's able. Ulimi lakhe liyasebenza nje kahle, umqondo wakhe awufuni nje uba lazy
ngoba noma ungamtshela ukuthi ithi uthi ithi mama uzolathi akafuni ikhipha le voice
lazy
uzobona ngama lips nje uzolida ama lips ukuthi uthi mama ithi Ranzo uyabona
uthi uzuthi naye uthi ithi Ranzo uthi uyabona
ukhulumela phansi
ushuthi
yena ukukhuluma uyakwazi
shuthi ayinokuthi yena ukukhuluma uyakwazi yabo
net akafuni lokukhuluma.
It's your push now from your side. So you need to identify into eziningi ukuthi yena ukuye toilet uyakwazi ukuthi akafuni ukuye toilet yabo
njalo.
So wena njengomzali you need to teach him ukuthi no lento ayikho right. I know you've tried Nkosi yami uphile na isikhathi eside eminingi leminyaka, you've tried indlela eziningi ezihlukahlukene, and we need also usizo from kumuntu aba ne situation noma akaba nengane ne autism ukuthi yena wenza kanjani in making umntwana ukuthi ayeke ukuziyela etoilet ngaphandle ukuthi etoilet, right? Yes. And njengoba 19 usewumfana, he needs to understand his body. He needs to understand ukuthi kunamaphatho kumele wafihle, kunamaphatho kungasamele bona umuntu esifazane. He needs to know those things. So those things qhamuka kuwena. So ungamyekeleli as if everything is normal. Wena kumele umfundisa ngalezo zinto lezo.
Hayi ngiyamfundisa ngalezo ngoba bekane sidala sokuthi noma kuhlela abantu aphume nje. Manje ngiyamtshela ngithi hamba uqoka. So sekayazi ukuthi immediately aphume ekamereni fanele ukuthi ayenze show uqoka.
Yes. Ngikholela kakhulu kuma gadgets ke kubantwana abane autism.
Okay.
Ama gadgets ilezi zinto amafoni. Uthatha ama laptop, yes. Phone engaphathwa ngama gadget. That's the best school.
No.
That's the best school. Mina ezami ingane ziphila ngetablet. Endlini asesikhuluma isingisi. Noma ekhaya sesikhuluma isingisi.
Yeah.
Because of the tablet. Lezi ngane zikhuluma isingisi.
advise indlela onginikana bengakayicabangi
yabo because of the tablet lezi ngane zikhomisa ngesi sesibuya kule nkulumo esichayeni exoxele yona because of the tablet they are so good these people awuphethe ingane ekhubazekile in a way uphethe igolide you just have to figure out wena njengomzali then ukuthi umuzwe njengomthwalo or umuntu okufrustrateayo you need to figure out ukuthi ngiphuma ngibheka ngakuphi la yes but you need to start with basics toilet ukuthi understand who umfana and you talk about these things like you talk language abezoyikhuluma na19 language abezoyikhuluma na19 mhlambe njengengane omfana ukuthi interested abafaneni interested amantombazaneni uthandani yabo but lo conversation are just general conversation for him to socialize with people you teach him how to socialize with people first thing mangimbona ngifune ukumxhawula and I knew ukuthi ingane ezautistic ayifuni ukuxhawula ngimxhawule ngamabomu and wangiphi isandla kodwa mbona ukuthi ufuna ukungicisha unginike imini u2 because uyabuza ukuthi umuntu osengixhawulayo ngixhawulelani yabona so you need to
nokhakwa
abafuni ukuthinta so all these things izinto esithi izinto nawe kumele uzenze ubhekane nazo but zidinga imali mafuthi nazo lezi zinto lezo yabo zidinga imali you don't need to be financial frustrated ngivuma ukuthi ngifuna ukukhuluma nawe because I felt like kuningi engakupha khona okulwazi kuningi futhi ongakuthola from babukeli be donate besiza then ukuthi umphindisele esikoleni zonke lento abayifundisa lapha esikoleni ilezi wena ezi experience yakho obhekane nazo uRanzo through from 2006 till today zonke izinto abamfundisa zona esikoleni ilezi wena ozazi zo because uphile nayo so it's more like you've lived esikoleni for 19 years learning about autism so you know better about autism so it's just that you need to take it out from emqondweni wakho ukuthi you dealing with ingane ekhubazekile autism is manageable mhlambe ke nanokuthi ngibeka light because I've never faced the situation you faced the situation omunye umzali ekhaya have faced the situation so that's why you're having ama camera to say umzali with onemntwana autistic akathinta umakaranzo and amluleke ngezinye izinto amupho okunye kangampha khona uma bekhona bathi banesikole abasaziyo basithathele uRanzo umhambise kuleso sikole in the meantime ngonyaka ozayo singekho leso sikole how can we make it possible for you ukuthi ethe sekhaya kufanele ukuthi esikoleni and also check ukuthi esikoleni ama daily routines imaphi benzane esikoleni you'll find ukuthi ama daily routines izinto nawe ngathi uyazithola ukwazi ukumenza zona akwazi ukuzenza the difference esesikoleni ne difference esekhaya ingakanani what's the gap iziphi izinto ayithola esikoleni akathi esekhaya ngasasitholi you need to find all those things but first thing first ama gadgets go for gadgets amafoni into ezichofwayo into ezibalwayo yonke into ama puzzles challenge to the maximum right and ekseni ukwenza kube iroutine ucheck isikhathi akavama ukaka ngaso I know ukuthi into osuyenzile le check isikhathi akavama ukaka ngaso isikhathi akavama ukaka ngaso sike sithi mhlambe uvama ukaka ngo12 emini you cut that routine yango 12 emini uyenza kube iroutine yasekuseni which means ekseni uyamthatha umuse toilet
ngiyamisa yazi kwenzakala nini
yes
ngiyamthatha ngimese toilet ngimkhumule ukuthi makakhumula ahlale toilet uzohlala i10 minutes lokuhleli
okay
ngize ngibona ukuthi hayi uhleli sayazi mhlawumbe ukhathele ithi or akaphathekanga ngithi hayi ethi ngimgcokisa immediately ngimgcokisa avela yenzele khona lapho
oh god immediately
nje umgcokisa ngoba wona lento ukuthi ngesikhathi somuntu ofuna ukuya toilet ithi ngimtrainer toilet hayi kodwa manje ungithusile ekugcineni manje agcine khona ukwenza number 2 uziyele nje epaketeni
kahle futhi
kahle uziyele ngasise ngiyamthatha ngiyamgeza so enye into engifuna umjwayeza yona ukuthi ngoba kusebusuku umjwayeza ukuthi fanele azi ukuthi akwenzelwe epaketeni sengilifakela nje ukuthi ebusuku angaphuma etoilet ngoba anginayo ibathroom
okay i-toilet ngaphandle
so i-toilet ngaphandle so ngisabela lokuthi uzophuma I1 so mare mini toilet ngoba ngiyalikhipha vele nalo
igate lakhe
igate ngiyalikhipha
usabana ukuthi aphume i1 eminyango ngiyazibuzela nje kunenja ekhaya igcekeni
kodwa yena nje khona asinja iyamthanda yena
manje umsabelane nje
ipitbull
ifuyo wa ipitbull baba wakhe
before babakhe kodwa yena kusile ezinodlame into engaziyo ngePitbull ekuze iadopt into eyiningi le Kenya liyangithi bathanda ukuthi bazithathe bazilwise igcina ifuna ukuba violent.
Yes.
So le nomuntu noma zingenela nje ifanele ngize ngivalele ngoba ngiyithembi
ukuthi yombi Pitbull. So awuyithembi now around umntwana.
Hayi angithembi.
Okay. Bengibuza lo mbuzo because I also feel that protection ukuthi why so much protection ebusuku. Okay. Umfana.
Yebo.
Treat him as umfana. We're not talking about ingane in this situation. He's 19 umfana. So now you start treating him as umfana. So the more treat as ingane, he will behave as ingane. So umuntu meyikhula unegaba ezithile empilweni. Mina ngiyacasuka ekhaya bengitreat as ingane. So ekhaya ngisesigabeni sokuthi ngiyindoda. So uma bengitreat njengomfana, angifuni ukutreat njengomfana. So if mina ngiziphathisa komfana, abantu bayathuka njengomfana. Yabo?
Qiniso.
So izenzo zami engizenzayo kwezomfana nomuntu uyathuka ukuthi hayi lo mfana ngempela lo bhuti yini esiphathisa kwengane encane. Why esiphathisa komfana? So same story naye uRanzo. Akasesiyona ingane. Remove him from ekubeni ingane, even to a point ngomfundisa even anokuvala igate. Teach him the routines omfana osegcekeni. In as much as ebhizi ama gadgets akazi ukuthi kunama duties akhe ezingane mfana. Hamba uvala igate. Uyezwa ngithi madlebeni?
Uyathumeka kakhulu futhi.
Hamba uvala igate. Hamba uyakwenza ukuthi.
Uthanyela.
Yes, all those things. Ndlula umbhede. So lezinto exactly. So ngiyakuphika manje sengakuleli point lelo ukuthi mayiqeda nje ukusuka esithini etoilet aqoqa ibhluk akaka. Lelo point lelo yipoint elifana nakho ukukhuluma. Linendelelo phakathi. Kwakumkhuba ke ingane mesena Mona 7, right? Mona 7 ezingane uba nama habits amasha that you want to create that doesn't exist ezingane na 7. Ngisikhumbula ngina 7. So those habits enganginawo at some point I wanted to gym karate because ngibuka ku TV. Ungifica ngifantasize ngijima ngenza zonke lezi because ngibona ufanta ama gym. And then mangibuka imovie yengane ebikhubazekile and mhlambe lengane bebeyidlalisa iphathi kube yihero uzongifica ngipretend ngathi ngikhubazekile. Uyangithola? So if lengane ibingayena umuntu bethanda ukukhuluma ithula uzongifica ngithatha ama habits ngisithulela. Uyangithola? And ama habits omngane lawo and bekubuza indaba kwenze njani uthule nje because you want to adopt this habit because uyibuke yakuchaza ku TV. So now with autism, they just adopt ama behavior out of nowhere, especially. They adopt bewabuka, they adopt emakhanda abo. And avela decide umntwana autism njobe ekhuluma na 7 years, ukukhuluma wakufunde na 1. He then decided ukuthi mina nje nguvula umlomo because I'm being irritated, angifuni ukukhuluma, all those things. So you need to fight those things as keep. So nje umbone ehlele sithi toilet hayi ukuthi akaphiswa,
uyaphiswa kuthi nje ngisuke ngiqhawe yilo ukuthi kungani angayenzeli lapha etoilet. And sometimes bias advise ukuthi kuthi like makenze kahle uyamreward ngithi.
Yes.
Mhlamba ama snack nyana uyamnikeza
ukuthi wenze kahle.
And umncomo umshayela izandla.
Yes.
Wenze kahle. Yebo. Na se toilet basho ukuthi kufanele umnike something ezomkhipha peace noma incwadi. Aloko ahleli lapha naloko uvela uzikhohlela azihlala lapha ebhizikeni nalencwadi ithi mase sekufanele ukuthi
uzothi sekhathela umuntu
ngithi ithi ngike ngimbone akenzanga ngizomxoyisa kahle after isikhathi sengithola ukuthi nango ke sekayenzile ku number 2 kuthi nje kula engicabanga khona ukuthi mhlawumbe njengoba manje egcineni kwakhe ke toilet aye wathatha ibhakede lakhe ngiyacabanga ukuthi mhlambe sekuzoba injwayelo kuye.
So tell me more hambile naye nje ukutravelile indlela engaka from eTembisa to la Esprit View. You not worried ukuthi endleleni angavele nje asusukushisa.
Yena ingathi unamahloni uyazibona ukuthi lento
wrong.
Yeah. Because akayenzi angaza ayenze sesindini nasesikolweni yazibamba kayenzi ngiyabona usuke sikasendlini manje nami vele ngiyamtrain ngimtshela ukuthi hambe toilet ngesikhathi so
sesivala Makaranza
yebo
asikayivali sengiyasho njengomfundisi makukhona ipoint elisalile ngisacela ukukhulume mase uveza ke manje usizo lwakho lidinga specifically kubantu through ivoice note ongithumelele yona nezinto ocabanga ukuthi uyazidinga ngaphezulu kwalezi nami sengizibalile bengibala izinto nami phela I think uyazidinga. So now let's go back to you and say this is what you need and now siya emphasize kumbukeli uyeke lokukhuluma kwami nokulanda kwami sesikuweke manje ukuthi this is what I need actually besides lokhu kwaza kakushilo but mina njengomakaranza this is what I need. Let's go.
Empilweni yomntwana ngidinga okuningi ngidinga ukuthi ayikho into abaleke njengokufunda.
Yeah.
Isikolo sibalekile siqale nje sabakhona isikolo yilokuthi kubonakala ukuthi umuntu makafunda nabanye abantwana kukhula akutholayo akuzuzayo.
Yes.
Akufani nanoma hleli ekhaya ayi1. So bengifisa nje kakhulu into engifisa kakhulu yazi ukuthi nanoma ngabe uluphi usizo engizolithola ngoba ezinye izinto sometimes nokuthi siyabantu abamnyama sinokholelwa ukuthi mhlambe khona into engekho right ngesinto kuyayenzeka. So ngicela nje usizo ukuthi mangabe khona umuntu kulabo ababonayo abantu besinto
yeah
abogogo nabomkhulu kungukuthi mhlawumbe khona usho ukuthi hayi man lento into encane ngingayenza ngesinto avuleke umntwana abe right mhlawumbe ukuthi angithabanye ukuthi babanika babashisela inyamazane yini nalolu sizo ngiyalifisa.
Okay.
Kube ya angali ngamjela noma uluphi usizo nesikolo naso uma kungukuthi uyatholakala ukuthi akwazi ukuthi ayofunda esikolweni kungabi ngokuthi manje uvalelwe esikolweni ngenxa ukuthi engakwazi ukwenza ezinye izinto ngoba kubaleka kakhulu ukuthi afunde. Bengicela nje usizo lokuthi athole isikolo nanoma ngabe i-boarding school ukuze ngikwazi ukuthi nami ngikwazi ukuthi ngiyosebenza ngoba ngifuna umsebenzi ngimsebenzele ngiyafisa ukumsebenzela umntanami adli ithukuthuku zami njengomamakhe akumnandanga okuhlala lokucela endlini yonke into uthola ukuthi fanele ubheke kubaba ngoba naye ngendlela aphila ngayo nayo uyaphanda akusi umsebenzi ozothi vele short definitely iyaphela sometimes 2 months 3 months angatholanga bana so siphila ngayo leyo grant yakhe
uright
and efanele kuphume phela imali transport cause besibhadala school fees ngasizwa i-exemption
bamfundisi
yebo nga-apply every year apply le-exemption ukuthi at least le mali ikwazi ukuthi isize kokunye yayibona
unawo ama-siblings
badala bobhutbakhe
badala
kakhulu ufirstborn una 34 wangu-91 and then the second born bashiyana una 29
second born
abobhuti nje abadala nabo omdala uyasebenza owesibili ufunana nomsebenzi akawutholi and unayo imatric manje imali yokuqhubekela phambili yengekho uyabona so ufila kathi ukuthi ngoba sekana 29 fanele ngabe sekazimele manje uyasebenza yebo
uRanzo uyivila ke kodwa ngempela uqinisile uyazi uyabona ntambe eqaqekile ufuna ukuyibopha nje ufuna ukuyibopha inefi ngibona ubuvila uyabona ukuthi
uletha kimi
uthi
leso uzibophile
uyarealize ukuthi unefindo lapha akuthi yabo kunefindo lapha usenqena uqaqala because ngiyambuka uqaqala lefindo abophe kabuhlungu
lapha lo muntu mina ngiyamforce ukuthena yenza izinto ngoba angeke ancike kimi forever
ngiyambona ukuthi
hawo
mfethu
uzongwa
uyivila abuvila abamavila ngiyabazi abuvila
yo and bakhona bakhuthele manje bakhona abakhuthela yazi ufuna ukwenza into makufuna yena
iproblem ufuna ukwenza into akayithandayo
ufuna ukwenza into makufuna
not bakhuthele bathole izinto abasithandayo so mangamthola into akayithandayo uzovuka every day ayenze and uzoyenzisisa because yona yodwa into akayenzayo uyathanda ukwashizitsha
yo uyakuthanda nalokupheka mangipheka lapha uyathatha naye agoqoze
kanti indaba izo kunje izinto lezo mawakhe izinto lezo kumele kumfocus kuzona umfundisa zona but manje wena ngiyazi ukuthi sabuthi uzosha angeke asho uhlakanipha ukudlula wena lo muntu ngiyakutshela yabona indlela ahlakanipha khona uyawazi umlilo uyashisa ayikho ingozi akangayazi that's why ngibuza ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi nje injwe isaba he even communicates better nenja ukudlula wena like they so good
imthanda kabi naye nje
I'm telling you he's
la uyayithanda
abanye baze bephiwe nezinja sesoyivala abanye baze bephiwe nezinja ufica ukuthi inja iyona emsizayo kumguide ehambeni
number 1 inja
so izinto enjalo ngithole lezona yabo lezinto umfica ukuthi uphuma nenja yakhe if he cannot interact with people he can interact nesinye isilwane zikhona ilwana akayithandayo
uthanda inja kakhulu vele ubabakhe wayefuya wathi makayifuya wathi ukhulisela yena vele ngoba izinja uyazithanda vele.
Exactly. We can have this conversation kuze kushone langa and njengoba ngitshela ukuthi in as much as good difficult.
Yeah.
But njengoba last born angithi.
Yebo last born.
Hey bakwethu ube nebhada phindwa last born last born ayathandwa.
Wayekhona umntana wentombazana engamthola ngo2012.
Yeah.
Lo mntwana lo waphila only 13 days. Kwakuyintombazana waba ne short breath. So ngamthatha ngamsesibhedlela. Ngoba 4 ekseni ngoba ngina transport mafika esibhedlela bamfaka oxygen eThems Hospital doctor basebusuku bamfaka oxygen ngoba babona ukuthi uleka ioxygen for perfume and then kwakuyi Saturday so basitshela ukuthi abo doctor abekho laba bachayisile so casual konje bathi kuphi la vele nifikela khona
casual yeah
and then bamthatha bamisa kwelinye side baloko bamfakele oxygen so ioxygen sasa yayi1
okay
oxygen wayekhona lapha ebondeni kodwa basilayitela balayitele A1 on sishintshisana ngayo nenye intombazana
okay.
So kwafika lo doctor lo wayenokufika check aphuma hambe afike and manje siyabona ukuthi abantwana abaphathekile siyatshintshisana mangathi wami ulontuzile ngiphinde nginike lo yana wathi masekabuya wasithethisa wathi sizobulala abantwana ngama-oxygen wayithatha wayirola lapha ebondeni wabhala incwadi ukuthi wabhala efayilini ukuthi ngithatha umntana ngimise x-ray kubona ukuthi inkinga umntana maphelela lapha x-ray kodwa bengingasi aware ukuthi sekashonile mangibuya ngibuyela kuya ngithi x-ray ukuthi vele bayithatha bona kodwa mhlambe mangisamphethe waphela so mangibuyela kuye ngimkhombisa umntwana wathatha isikhathi kungina ebhizi nabanye yabona ngathi mangifika kuye wangitshela ukuthi ngithatha umntwana uyam admit makaye ward 5 engamcheckanga nokumchecka eloke kimi umntwana ngahamba mangifika ward 5 omunye usisi shuthi themaka manje bengimvalile ngamvula lo sisi lo themaka bona ngoba bona bane experience bayazi wathuka realize after ukuthi uthuswa ukuthi ubona ushonile ngendaba yokuthi udoctor wakhipha oxygen wathi sizobulala abantwana ngeoxygen mangifika lapha yana kwakhona udoctor uthi bamthatha vele bebazi ukuthi ushonile mina bengingazi kwaba abantu abangafuni ukungibonisa ukuthi abantu abathi yabona basam hayi kwala vele bangibiza bangitshela ukuthi umntana ushonile inkinga yini ngathi mina ngifike naye umntana angakwazi ukuphefumula and then wabo doctor basebusuku baze bachayisa bemshiye ku oxygen lo udoctor wamkhipha wathi sizobulala abantwana ngeoxygen and sasiloko siphintshisana ngeoxygen so bayikhuluma kakhulu esibhedlela le nto leyo ngathi ngayilandelela ngoba bengiloko sengithatha treatment umntwana kwathi ngelinye ngahlangana nalo doctor ngamtshela ngathi doctor mkhumula lo mntwana wathi washona wathi ayinxese mama nxese ngizwile khulume ngayo kakhulu la esibhedlela nxese wangishiya nginjalo so waya mase ngiyambheka esibhedlela ngisamthola
futhi wahamba
and manje mangithi ngifuna ukuvula icase bangitshela ukuthi fanele ngithola amaloya kusho ngaba neleke knowledge ukuthi nginayapi so kwathi lapho sengisukume khona umunye usisi wangisisa ukuthi ngithole iloya eJoburg ngalithola iloya kwaba ukuthi sekulate bathi into zika government in 3 years asisaqhubeki so kwakuyi 3 years 3 months but angeke icase yami isathathwa ngazibuza ukuthi ngoba bathi icala liboli kunamacala akudala abakhiphayo abantu abapolitiki ababulawa amabhuna ayavuka mosinawo leyo doctor oyewabulala umntwana wami wamkhipha oxygen ngamhlanga umntwana wahlala ku-oxygen waze wabuya waba right mhlawumbe umntwana ngabe usaphila ngoba wathatha nesikhathi nokuthi amcheck yayibona
so ena 13 weeks
days 13 days and nasesibhedlela ngangiya nyokhala ngithi ngicela at least yokungenani isinaphezelo ngoba ngavolunteer esibhedlela ngasebenza unyaka wonke ngaholi ngiclean bakhombisa ne-reference ngayo ukuthi at least yokungenani abangithathe ngisebenze ngichashwe bala
yo yazi ibuye ezishock ke le ndaba le ibuye ezishock so wagcina nje ungakwazi ngithola usizo ngalo mntana
zange I feel like ukuthi umntana manje ngilolanga enough ngokuthi lapho sengithola i-lawyer angithola ukuthi sekudlule 3 years 3 months angeke icase isathathwa
why kokusetshenziswa ama-oxygen eyodwa out of ama-oxygen onke ugcwele ubanda kwakuthiwa yini
angazi kusho ukuthi la sifikele khona sisenabadoctor sagcina angithi abantu baloko bayangena sagcina sithathwa siswa ngakwelinye room so lapho safika salayitelwa i-oxygen eyi-1 ekhona ama-oxygen asazi why sathi sisancenge ngale oxygen ukuthi hayi okungenani at least inayilayitiwe siyancedisa sachintshisana weza udoctor wathi wayikhipha wathi sizobulala abantwana ngama-oxygen bahlala abantwana sebanjala angimazi luyasiza ngoba ngathi mangibuya ku-x-ray ngamthola ngasekha ngazikena wakumntwana ngoba benenkinga efanayo kusho ukuthi indlela wayiphefumula ngayo lo mntwana yabona ama-minutes bese kube khona lokho
phosa khona
ama-minutes esikhathi
yes
ayikhona lokho kufast angazi kube khona ama-minutes ama-seconds angazi lanka fast kakhulu
ama-seconds
alangadala ama-seconds uyabona
lokho
konje bathi yini negama lakhona
angazi kabona
ama-seconds angithi ama-seconds lanka yenza iminute khona ngikhohlwa igama lakhona khona lokho okwenza okudala i-seconds
ngonifundile
ngiyabona so waye ngikhohliwe nje igama wayephefumula ngaleyo ndlela
kushesha kakhulu
kabuhlungu kabi uzubona nalasiswini ukuthi
kushesha ukudlula i-second
kushesha so basho bathi no ufuna ukuthi ancediswe i-oxygen akwazi kwaba ukuthi udoctor uyamkhipha
so that was the last born
bekuyilast born yentombazana yami le
so don't you think mhlambe overprotection manje sibuyeza kuranzo it comes from that point don't you think
ngicabanga kanjalo ngoba ngayile and kwathi sekunjalo azange bangise nako counseling esibhedlela like ukuthi bathe ubone into so ngcono usukutholela i-counseling or in
no nothing
so mina ngaze ngaziyela kuma counseling batha ngihili mangimcabanga kanjalo nyakhala uthi njalo mangibeka umuntu uthi ngabe manje sekana 13 years
ngabe na 13 no I think also the protection because I was wondering the protection on 4 runs it's coming from that and most abazali abake balahlekelwa abantwana
baba feel like uyathuka
yes
ubona ngathi nalo uzohamba
yes
uhlala usovalweni
yes so that's why ngibuza ukuthi do you have a last born because I felt like there's too much protection and too much luningi loluthando lufuranzo and I condition yakhe ifuna I tough love ifuna uthando but uthando also phinda lumfundisa somehow so you giving him all this love and uthando yeah
and enye into futhi eyangibulala kakhulu kushonwe kakhulu ekhaya
oh yes
bekudlula unyaka oyi1 sesazi uDecember siyancwaba amalimi bonke baphelile nami ngashonelwa umntwana akekho umuntu ongashonelwa ngomuntu kushoniwe nje ekhaya kakhulu sesihlala sinovalo yabona ukuthi should anything sesiyazi vele ukuthi abafowethu bashonile abaningi mina umama mashona ngimncane bengiyi1 ekhaya but ngakhuliswa abomamncane bami bebayi3 and then laba abanye baphuma banemizi yabo kwasala lo osile lapha ekhaya so angizange ngabona mina ukuthi anginamama ngendlela bebabambene ngakhona so abantwana babo nalo waselube ngwashonelwa umntwana abayi2 nalo wasethafeni ushonelwa abantwana abayi2 noma mncane washona kushoniwe nje into nje eyinkinga noma sithi sifuna ukuthola abantu abazosiza lento ikhoswa yini mhlawumbe basisiza ukuthi bayivale asibathola abantu abasisizayo so nayo le iya
contribute
ngithukile vele ngoba kakhulukazi khamba abafana.
Yes. Makaranzo sacela ushiya number yakho for umuntu ongathi uyakufonela regarding ukuthi akusize la ngakusiza khona. I'll emphasize futhi ukuthi udinga itablet ne laptop. And then mase uthola ama project khona ku YouTube. Ama project ezingane eziphila ngo-autism ukuthi iziphi izinto abavama ukuzibuka and ujwayele kakhulu nawo internet regarding his situation, especially his age. Check ukuthi iziphi into akangazenza mase umdownload izinto and then umcheck izinto ku YouTube. Make him fall in love with certain things and check ukuthi iziphi izinto azithandayo and leave him to be. Ungamnaka kakhulu. Leave him to be. Phinde futhi ku situation la akenze khona number 2 mhlambe meyenze kahle umncomo njengoba ushilo ukuthi umncomo meyenze kabi akakufeel ukuthi wenze kabi yabo akakufeel ukuthi wenze kabi. Find a way on how to punish him, but punishment kube vele umuntu that or disabled kungabi punishment rough, but kube punishment that he will understand ukuthi this is punishment because I did that yabo. So he needs to have those discipline in places ukuthi mangenza into ethile akwenze into yabo. Ungakusabi kuba frustrated kwakhe. Ukuba frustrated, it's part of him. So also teach him ukuthi maybe frustrated angazikhalma kanjani down. All those things is khona ku internet, you can access them. Try to teach him as much as you can, and once wafunda okuningi in no time so bese sizwa ngawe ukuthi kunomehluko besides mehluko, so bese sizwa ngawe ukuthi ucela ezinye ingane ne-autism uzikhandela i-crash sihlale nawe. So look, izinto mozibheka kuphela ngeside elimbi, but uphinde uzibheke nangeside elipositive. You can be that person who can actually have isikole seyingane ezine-autism from the very young age, and then usifundise through.
Ngibathanda kanjani?
Yes. I'm saying this because of uthando okwazi ukuthi uliphe undodana wakho. Look, this ibheke nje on a bright side. You can even find umsebenzi or uma zikhona isikole where badinga uthisha le ama-guardian angakade ingane autistic isikole esithile bengathatha wena bethatha uRanzo uhambe uyosebenza khona lapho umntana wakho ukhona esikoleni nawe ukhona usebenza khona esikoleni, because the experience we have with this son is very beautiful. The way ekhule ngakhona usikhulisele yena uhlala isikhathi eside kakhulu ngafundi and namanje usazohlala naye, so all the experience unayo. So if kukhona isikole that are dealing with ingane ezine-autism, you know them better, you can take care of them, so ungahamba uye khona. So now take care of him, and also molokhu khula usifundise ukuthi nami one day I can even open a school where I can teach izingane ne-autism and have them emzini wami. So basically yes
ufisa lokho vele ngithi umuntu ngabe bekanendawo nje right
ngabe into enzeka
yayibona
bhala ama-proposal, bhala NGO ubhala proposal thomzokubhala proposal and sona ispace sisodwa ziwu-2 ziwu-3 ingane enough. Ubhala proposal, have a company NPO, and then you hambise NPO bhala uhambise kwa-social development and tell them this is what you want to do, and then qala kancane they will sponsor you. And since iy'kole zishoda la Soweto njengoba ngikutshelile behind the scene ukuthi there is a person engimazi just angangimmention because prominent and I think private ukuthi ingane yabi ne-autism. So prominent abantu abadumile they have ingane ene-autism, so also nabo they went to a route of opening isikole sengane ezine-autism. I will also check that person ngimcheck ukuthi sagcina sivulekile bagcina bekwazi ukumfanda, because naye the same situation obhekene nayo, it's the same situation and bona banemali ke imagine.
Ngange ngasithola isikolo ku any else manje i-distance
kuphi lapha eParktown so kumele
manje akuhlalwa isikolo bayangena bayaphuma manje kwathola ukuthi ngishaywa yini i-transport i-distance ngoba amateksi asethembisa ngitsaphelela le kubonort and nima uqala uza ngapha kunamateksi wakhona lapha
so
so kwaba yilokho vele.
No, kulungile kakhulu mawami. Siyabonga nje kakhulu ukuthi ufikile. Siyathemba ukuthi abantu bazokwazi ukusisiza. Ungashiya inamba yakho singakhohlwa inamba.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu nami ukungamukela kwenu.
Yeah.
Nababukeli ngiyabonga. Inamba yami 064 984 2995.
Ngisacela uphinde futhi.
064 984 2995. And then uma kungukuthi mhlawumbe kuyenzeka bangitholi bangaxhumana nobabakhe uPhinias Phila igama inamba yakhe yena ithi 082 355 2521.
Yeah.
082 355 2521.
Yeah.
Ngiyabonga ngiyalidinga kakhulu usizo. Ngalamukela noma uluphi usizo oluzayo.
Yeah, siyabonga kakhulu. Babukele bethu emakhaya nibe nobusuku obuhle nesale kahle.
Siyabonga.